Take a slow, steady breath in and release it gently. Again, inhale with ease and exhale fully. Allow your body to settle. Allow your thoughts to soften. Allow your awareness to turn inward. There is nothing to reach for, nothing to force, only alignment to remember. In a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will move deeper and deeper into a state of inner order, where what is misaligned settles, what is scattered returns, and what is true takes its rightful place. Let us begin. 10. Your breathing slows naturally. 9. Your body begins to relax. 8. Tension releases without effort. 7. Thoughts become quieter. 6. Awareness turns inward. 5. Grounded and steady. 4. Your body feels supported. 3. The outer world grows distant. 2. A deep stillness forms within. 1. You enter a state of calm alignment. In this stillness, notice how your body naturally seeks balance. Your muscles soften. Your breath evens out. And your nervous system recalibrates. Alignment is not an effort. It is a restoration. Feel a sense of vertical balance within you. Head gently aligned over shoulders. Shoulders over spine. Spine grounded and supported. Your body remembers how to settle into alignment. Repeat inwardly. I return to order. I return to balance. I return to alignment. Now allow your awareness to move gently into the mind. Thoughts slow, not suppressed, but organized. What is unnecessary fades. What is important remains. The mind does not need control. It needs direction. Feel clarity forming, like a calm horizon after turbulence. Repeat softly. My mind aligns with truth. My thoughts return to coherence. Clarity replaces confusion. From this calm clarity, your awareness expands naturally. You sense an order larger than yourself, steady, timeless, dependable. This is the eternal structure that governs seasons, growth, cause and effect. You are not separate from it. You participate within it. Feel yourself aligning, not against life, not ahead of life, but within life. Repeat inwardly, I align with eternal order. I move in harmony with what is true. I trust the structure that sustains life. Now gently observe your life path. You do not judge it. You do not correct it forcefully. You simply allow what is misaligned to adjust. Motives clarify. Priorities reorder. Direction stabilizes. You sense where to act and where to wait. Alignment simplifies decision-making. Right action becomes obvious. Now repeat slowly. My direction becomes clear. I act in right timing. My path aligns naturally. Now allow all three domains to align together. The body settles into balance. The mind rests in clarity. The spirit abides in order. There is no internal conflict, no fragmentation, only coherence. You feel steady. You feel centered. You feel properly placed. This is what alignment feels like. Allow these affirmations to sink deeply into your mind. I live in alignment with eternal truth. I return to order whenever I drift. My life unfolds with stability and purpose. These truths integrate quietly, guiding future choices, responses, and habits. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will return gently, clear, grounded, and aligned. 1. Your awareness begins to rise. 2. Your breath deepens. 3. Gentle energy returns. 4. Your body feels stable and present. 5. Balanced and calm. 6. Awareness expands outward. 7. You feel centered and steady. 8. Eyes feel lighter. 9. Take a deep breath in and out. 10. Eyes open, fully awake, clear, grounded, aligned with eternal order. Carry this alignment into your day.